Hi, Drew here, Proyama enthusiast. Just unboxed this 18-inch electric Proyama chainsaw. Got a few other Proyama devices, and going to do a little test on this guy here today. See how it runs. I've got their gas-powered PCS 68, which is their 68cc chainsaw, and going to do a little review on this here. Looks like out of the box we get a scabbard, a chain, an additional chain, a little bit of bar oil, some safety goggles, some gloves, and I've already kind of taken this out and got the chain on it. Now when you make your chain, put your chain on here, you want to make sure your teeth are facing the correct direction, and simply attach your bar onto the chainsaw here. Pretty straightforward, not difficult at all. Get your chain on there, and then all you got to do is tighten this guy down, and it does it all on its own. Really simple, like this lot. Just tighten it till you got no slack in there, and looks like we're pretty good on that. Always check your chain brake on there, and then also you want to make sure you got your bar oil in there. So we'll put the bar oil in, and then we'll go see how this thing does. Hey, Drew here back again, checking out this Proyama PCS 18A 18-inch chainsaw. So we're going to cut some this oak here, one of your harder woods. So give it a good test. Always make sure you check your chain brake, working. Always make sure you're spitting some bar oil out, and let's give this thing a shot and see how she does. I was pretty impressed with that. That's about the size limit on the diameter of log that you would want to cut with this thing, and for an electric chainsaw, I'm pretty surprised. All right. Well, if you are looking for this, you can find it on Amazon, and yeah, I'm pretty surprised with this electric chainsaw. All right, thanks guys.